Welcome back to a lecture series on GIS. In this practical, now we are going to discuss about the importing field photos to ArcGIS. How the field photos are likely to be imported, because whatever the data which you have taken from the field is the main what is that is the main parameter is the main identification parameters of all your investigation in terms of research. So normally we do extensive field work as a geologist, and then we bring all the field photographs and then the lab investigations and then link together in ArcGIS. There we'll be able to interpret the information easily into it. Now let us see how we have to do the what is that importing field photos into ArcGIS. Importing field photo, it is adding the field of photos or the raster image or the attribute table. So this is the one. Importing field photos, it is adding. There are 3 points, 3 steps: add a point feature, and you have to create add feature field into raster field, add the raster photograph. So this is the explorer view of the field photo taken during my research scholar PhD work. And then this is what we did in the last class. Adding the points to CSV. Once if you add the points, this is the shape files, because this is needed. This is the step one. Step one is need not to be repeated, as like how you are doing either by digitization or by bringing the databases from CSV format. Once if you bring and then open attribute table, open your point data, open attribute table, and look at that all these informations are there. And now you just click the points, and then even you can change the layout, the point layout. So now you are going to add it. That's why I have made it a little big. And open attribute table, and in the open attribute table you have to go to add field. In the add field, now we type the databases which you field underscore image. It is a that is the second point. Create field, and it should be a raster data type, right? Mind it, raster data type, short integer, not raster. You have to bring, yes, select raster and give OK. Now there is a field created in the attribute table. Now we are going to add this, right? That is the last field. Here this is the raster information, which if you click it, automatically this will come. So field photographs of the study area, what we have done: coastal erosion deposition studies, Thuthukudi circuit house. I am just taking. I would like to add this images into the point. So it takes as a point attribute. So once if I click the point, automatically this will come. If I click, it will not come because it is not enabled. Just to show you, I did. Now I have to go to editor, start edit. Unless if it is not editing mode, you cannot add your data. So I am just selecting the shapefile station, and I am just selecting the station again and giving continue. Now if I click, it will come. Right click again to load. You see, select load. And now you browse where your data is there. And this is Thuthukudi. Now where you have kept your field photographs that you take. Now because the name is not given here, so I get confused. I'll have to check whether which one is this one is the Thuthukudi port. Yes. So now I am checking the WA010012 is the image. So this one is the image. I am selecting, giving add. Now give add. Okay. Now you see the raster information is already added. Similarly, I have to do it for all the points. I'll do it some couple of photos to be I'm adding, not all the photos, but whatever you do in such a way, you can also add small videos also. This is only the image which you are selecting, and you also can add the other information too. But normally we advise you to add all your field photographs, so that will speak that whether your work is correct, your data is correct, your interpretation is correct, why erosion is here, why deposition is here, everything will be able to assess through this. So I have added 2 points now, and similarly I am adding the other points. Yes, I am adding the third point of the image. Right. I will also add one more. But here, if we rename it, it will be very easy, because if the location name comes, then it will be easy for me to add by using the what is that location name. So in the field photograph, I have to rename it and give the location name. So it will be easy. I think now you understand that how to add all your photographs, field photos into ArcGIS. Now I have added some 6 photographs. I will just close this window. Now how to open that we will see. Stop edit, save edit, and stop edit. That, yes, that we have to finish once. Then only all this information will be saved. Now I move with the identity by clicking the locations. You see the raster is coming. If I click the raster button, yeah, this button I have to click. Now the photo is loaded, and you see this is a photograph of that particular region. You can keep nearby that also in the map. Now you understand what is the reason that this area is stable with respect to coastal is concerned. Everything will be able to easily understand. Similarly, you can open the other data, and with this, you know that how to add the data, how to bring the raster images into the field is coming to end. Sometimes you can also bring the graph, raster images, raster output, anything in the format of raster, you can bring it here. This is a video. You have to select by the identity. At the end of it, what will happen? Your images will be displayed in the satellite, in the GIS map window. Yes. You can zoom also up to maximum level. Even for the whole window also you can do it. But this will add the idea for the interpretation, better interpretation in all the research. With this, the research, the discussion is come to